Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 50. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display and brightness. Right here we've got all your display settings. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level, enable or disable automatic brightness, change color mode and temperature between normal, vivid, default, warm and cold. Next we can change sleep time between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable eye comfort mode and adjust it, enable ebook mode, dark mode, change text and display size, enable or disable smart resolution, change screen refresh rate between dynamic, high and standard, in full screen display you can select apps that are going to use in full screen. In cutout you can hide notch, and also you can display carrier name and display network speed. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.